Let's do an easy Starry night in Unreal Engine. First, let's make a new level. Then go to Epic Store and search for a free plugin Good Sky. Choose Add to Project. Back in Unreal Engine, drag the Good Sky blueprint to the viewport. Go to the Materials section of Good Sky and open the Good Sky Material Stars. Look for Star Texture setting and click the texture sample that has stars. And then, open your browser and search for Solar System Scope. Click Explore and go to the Textures tab. Choose any star's texture and download it. Import your texture to your project. Replace the old texture to the one you downloaded. Click Apply and Save. Click the Good Sky blueprint and adjust the settings. Deactivate the lighting folder. Click the Good Sky blueprint and adjust the settings. Add a post-process volume. Search for Unbound and put a check on it. Adjust the exposure. Render it in sequencer with your project and import. Add two adjustment layer. One is for vignette and the other is for color grading, correction, and effects.
Chilling wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Your support and feedback mean a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and content like this. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.